Hi everyone, in this video we'll see about GATE question on candidate key. See, this first question asked in 1999 on GATE. So this is given relation R, A, B, C, D, F given, and these are the functional dependencies. So C derives F, C is deriving F, E derives A, so E derives A, EC derives D, EC both derives D. EC both derives D, and A derives B. A is deriving B. Now see which attribute do not have incoming edges. See, A is having incoming edge, B is having incoming edge, D is having incoming edge, but F do not have any incoming edge. So C and E do not have any incoming edge. C and E do not have any incoming edges. So means these are the essential attributes which will remain in the candidate key. C and E are the essential attributes. C and E do not have an incoming edge. It means they are the essential attributes which remain in the candidate key. So we'll find this closure of C. C will find C. C, what we get? CE. We get C. Then from C we are getting F. From EC we are getting D. From E we are getting A. And from A we are getting B. Means we are getting whole relation R. Now what is the first candidate key? CE. Now what are the prime attributes? PA means prime attributes. Prime attributes means the candidate key only. We'll write separately C, E. Okay. Now we'll see means the prime attributes which is present in the right hand side of the functional dependency. C and E. See, now we'll check for the prime attributes which are there on the right hand side of the functional dependency. So C and E. C is there on the right hand side? No. Is E is there on the right hand side? No. Means we cannot, means in this function, in this relation we have only C and E only candidate key. C is the only one candidate key which is possible for this relation. Okay, if in the right hand side if C or E is there, then we'll replace by the left hand side attribute. Okay, so we will see in the next example. Okay, so here only C is the one candidate key and prime attributes is C and E, and what are the non-prime? The remaining are the non-prime attributes. Okay. Now we'll solve the next question which is asked in GATE 2005. This is the given relation, and I say for saving time I have drawn the means functional dependencies, and see here which attribute do not have an incoming edge? E and H. So we'll find the closure of E and H. If we find the closure of an E and H, see, we will not get R. We will not get R because E derives C, and H is there, and we cannot derive any more. So we have to add another attribute to the EH. If we add AEH, if we add A to EH, then we are getting R. Then you check it. We'll see. I've already checked. So if we are adding attribute A with EH, then we are getting relation R. Now the first candidate here is AEH, and what are the prime attributes? A, E, H. Now the same thing will apply here. We'll check for the prime attributes which are available in the right hand side, and we'll replace with the left hand side attribute. Okay, so we'll check the prime attributes which are available in the right hand side, and we'll replace this attribute with the left hand side attribute. Okay, now we are checking for E and H. See, E is not there, H is also not there, but A is there. So A should be replaced by what? D, E, H. A should be replaced by D. Okay, and after finding the closure of D, E, H, we will also get R. Okay, if you don't know how to find the closure, then please check the video. I'll give the video in the description box. Okay, so the next candidate key is D, E, H, and the next prime attribute is D. Okay, now we'll check for the D attribute in the left hand side. See, D is there, and we can replace D by B, C, E, H. Now see, as E derives C, E is derives C here. So if E derives C, so we can write this as a B, E, H, because E is deriving C, and when we are getting B, H closer, we are getting R. So the next candidate key is B, E, H, and the next prime attribute is B. Now see, if we replace B with A, If we replace B with A, we'll get the same thing, AEH, okay. So here only three candidate key are possible, AEH, DH and BH, okay. So let's solve the next last question, GATE 2008. See here, I have drawn the functional dependencies here. A and B do not have any incoming edges, A and B. So we'll find the closure of AB and we'll get R. R means we'll getting the whole relationship R, whole relation R. So we will get the whole relation R, A, if we find the closure of AB plus. If you don't know how to find the closure, I'll give you the video in the description box. You can check here, okay? You can check there, okay? Now see, AB, if you find the closure of AB plus, you are getting R. Then the first candidate key is AB plus. The prime attribute is A, comma B. Now we'll check for the prime attribute in the right hand side. See, in the right hand side, no prime attribute is present. So means this is the only candidate key possible for this relationship. Okay. So what are the non-prime attributes? Non-prime attributes means the relation attribute, the other than prime attributes. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Another important point is I have made a full detailed video how to find the close. I'll give in the description box, and full video on how to find the candidate key. This also I'll give in the description box. You please go there and check there. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you.